Okay, in this presentation we are going to look at how to derive the median of the Rayleigh probability distribution. So the Rayleigh probability distribution comes up quite a lot for engineering and science students. Okay, so this is the type of thing that might come up in an exam. So if you're doing probability distributions, quite often you may be asked to calculate the median of the distribution, as I said, derive the formula for the median of the distribution. So in general, the approach is usually the same. To derive the median of the Rayleigh distribution, or in fact any other distribution, we need to find the value m such that the cumulative distribution function, the CDF, is equal to 0.5. So in this case, the cumulative distribution function of the Rayleigh distribution is given as follows. Capital F of x, sigma, where sigma is the scale parameter which sort of defines the Rayleigh distribution, that is equal to 1 minus the exponential of minus x squared divided by 2 sigma squared. Okay, so what we have to do is find the value of m such that f of m, sigma, which is the value of m placed in the cumulative distribution formula, is equal to 0.5. So essentially what we have to do is solve this expression for m. 1 minus the exponential of minus m squared divided by 2 sigma squared equal to 0.5. So it's actually straightforward enough, really. So let's break this down into steps, solving for m. So rearranging both sides of the equation. So essentially we go 1 minus, we subtract both sides from 1 essentially. Okay, and solve it. So just to simplify it, essentially rearranging both sides, we get the exponential of minus m squared divided by 2 sigma squared equals 0.5. And what that we then do is take the natural logarithm of both sides. So we have minus m squared divided by 2 sigma squared equal the log of 0.5. So what we could do here, just to make life easy on ourselves, is re-express the log of 0.5 as minus log of 2. Okay, so essentially what we have to do is use all of those logarithm rules that we learn in school, because they will pop up very often in these sort of questions. So what do we got? Minus m squared divided by 2 sigma squared equals minus log of 2. Okay, so we can multiply both sides by minus 1, which is to say cancel the minus signs. M squared divided by 2 sigma squared equals log of 2. So we're getting very close. Divide both sides by 2 sigma squared and get the square root of both sides. So what we do is we end up with m equals sigma times the square root of 2 times log of 2, and that is essentially the answer. So yeah, that's it. The sigma times the 2 sigma times the square root of 2 log of 2. Okay, we'll leave it there.